Where's Riley?
Riley? Where's Riley? Where Riley? Where Riley?
Do your Mardi Gras.
Girls Gone Wild.
Where's right there? She is. Do your Mardi Gras.
Riley Gone Wild.
There she is. So I want beads.
Beads, beads, more beads.
Can you do it again?
Where's Riley?
Where's Riley? Where's Riley? There she is. Hey.
Good girl.
Can you do it one more time?
Where's Riley?
Where's Riley? Where's Riley?
Where is she?
There she is.
Good girl.
That's funny.
Smartest girl in the world.
So I want beads. I want beads. There she is. She's practicing for this weekend.
Yep.
Where's Riley? There she is. That's inappropriate.
So we can't. You didn't get my foot, did you?
No. Well, I can see like your pant leg,
Well,
but.
don't do that.
Oh, did you hit your head? I'm sorry. All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.